Good morning, children. Would you like to know how people in Hawaii say thank you? Let's find out how by answering the following exercises in the flashcards using the following codes. Lohamar, are you ready? Let's start. What is the answer? 12. Very good, 18. 20. 36. 'So how do they say thank you? They say mahalo. In English, thank you. So this is our new word for today, mahalo. Okay, children, what was our lesson yesterday? Yes, Michaela? What is a rectangular prism? Yes, Dan. Like what we have here, it has 6 rectangular faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. How do we find the volume of a rectangular prism? Yes, Hannah. Very good. We use the formula length times width times height. Like what we do to answer the given exercises in the flashcards, we multiply 4 for the length and 4 for the width and 5 for the height. I have here different figures. Using this formula, who will answer number 1? Yes, Arnie. How about number 2? Bench. Number 3? Daniela. What is the volume of figure number 1? 200 cubic centimeter. Very good. If you have a rectangular aquarium in your respective homes, try to measure the dimension of your aquarium. Using this formula, find the volume of water in your aquarium. Children, is water important? What are the importance or uses of water? Yes, Asel. What else? Bianca. Very good. In your place, do you have enough supply of water? But in some places, water supply is a problem. Like the problem I will present to you this morning. Children, kindly read the story problem. Who lives in a barangay with a low supply of water? Myla. What did a family of Carlo do to have enough supply of water daily? Peter. Do you think the tank solved the family's water problem? How it helped to solve the family's water problem? What is the shape of the water tank? Cylinder. Very good. And what are the dimensions of the water tank? What are the dimensions of the water tank? The radius is 6 and the height is 18 decimeter. Assuming that this is the water tank, what is asked in the given problem? Yes, Aaron. So the problem tells us to find the volume of water that the tank can hold. Do you know how to find its volume, children? This morning, our topic is solving the volume of cylinders. I have here an example of cylinders. Notice that the cylinder has 2 faces that are circles, 1 and 2, and it is tall or it has height. So, we are going to need to know the height of the cylinder. Solving the volume of a cylinder, we have to find the height of the cylinder. Children, we already studied about the area of the circle, right? What is the formula we use in finding the area of the circle? Yes, Hannah, we use the formula. Very good. The area of the circle represents the base of the cylinder. In finding the volume of a cylinder, we have 2 steps. We have to find first the area of the circle using the formula pi r squared. And then we have to multiply the area by the height of the cylinder. So we have the formula pi r squared times height. In the story problem, what is the radius again? 6. So replace the constant value for pi, 3 and 14. We have to multiply the radius, which is 6, times the height of the cylindrical water tank. What is 6 squared? Yes, very good, 36. We have to multiply 6 times 4 equals 24. 6 times 1 equals 6 plus 2. 6 times 3 equals 18. And 3 times 4 equals 12. Here 1. 3 times 1 equals 3. Plus 1 equals 4. So, how much water that the tank can hold? 2034 and 72 cubic decimeter. Very good. Were you able to follow the steps and solving or finding the volume of the cylinder? So we have the volume of the cylindrical water tank, 2034 and 72 cubic decimeter. Don't forget to state your answer in a cubic units because volume is a measure of a three-dimensional space. And if the diameter is given, just divide it by 2 because radius is 1/2 of the diameter. Okay, let's have another example. Children, kindly read the story problem. What is asked in a given problem? Yes, Kendra. Given the diameter, what is the radius? Very good, 10 centimeter. What is the volume of the can? How much water that the can hold? Very good. Let's have another example. The cylinder number 1, the radius is 3 centimeter. And the height is 10 centimeter. And the figure number 2. Okay, time's up. Let us check your answer. Do you have the same answer, children? Very good. Okay, children, how do we solve the volume of a cylinder? Yes, Anna solve. We use the formula volume equals pi r squared times height. Kindly read, children, the problem. What is asked in the given problem? Very good. How many pots of bougainvillea plants will be watered? So what is the volume of the can? Use as dipper. Very good. 785 cubic centimeter. What is the volume of the mug? 1,356 and 48 cubic meter. Very good. From the exercises that have been given, we talk about the uses and importance of water. Children, what are the importance or uses of water? How will you help to conserve water? Please get one whole sheet of bond paper and answer the following cylinders. Letter A, you have to give the volume of the given cylinders. And letter B, construct different cylinders given the radius and height. Letter C, read and solve. So you have to read the story problem, solve, find the volume of the can using formula and finding or solving the volume of cylinder.